Guys, I'm Chef K and I'm on Chef K Academy. I'm here to introduce you to Microsoft Office Word. You can open your Word from the search bar by clicking on your search button and you search for Word. So automatically you can open your Word from the search bar and to load this environment. So if you can't find Word on your system, you can actually use online version of Microsoft Word, and also you can get it on your system by buying it from Office site by using this office.com. So you can get Office on your system or you buy it for future use. So they have three plans. They have six person plan, and for personal use and for organization. So this is for home, then for business. So you can get it from here. And also, if you can't afford any of the plan, you can also use Word for free online by signing in Microsoft account. And if you don't have the Microsoft account, you can also create one from this space here. So you type your email next, then type your password next. Automatically you can pick which of the Office you want to work on. They have Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, and so on. So currently we are using Word, so you can pick Word after you sign in. And if you don't have account with them, you can click here to create account. So let's get started to our Microsoft Office Word. Microsoft Office Word is a word processing package that is mainly used for typing, editing of text, creating of receipts, letterhead, making of simple design, and some other documents. This tutorial teaches Microsoft Word 2019 basics, although this tutorial was created for the computer novice. And MS Word, it is used to make professional quality documents, letters, report, etc. MS Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. It has advanced features which allow you to format and edit your files and documents in the best possible way. MS Word is one of the most used programs under the Office suite. This our start screen has the blank document, which allows us to get started with our new document. And beside the blank document, we have our template where we can use for our various work. And under here, we have our recent, which are the recent document that we just work on, and I just work on them. And if you want to open a new blank document, you can click here, or you click on new. From your new, you can open a new blank document. And also we can get more templates here from your new. So we have annual report template, we have Word 20 look, we have timeless letter. So a different kind of template that you were looking for, you can find in here. And also we can also search for templates when you search by so let's get into our Microsoft Word interface. So click on blank document. So these are blank documents here. It has opened our Word interface. So we'll be discussing the bars that we have on Microsoft Word. The first bar we're discussing is our title bar. The title bar tells you the name of the document you are currently working on. So as the very first time you open Microsoft Word, the default title that will be there is document 1 until you type a word and you save the file. That's when the document will change the name. It might be a letter, it might be annual report, it might be a resume, it might be a cover letter. So it depends on the kind of title that you want to give your document, and it might also be your name. You can use your name as title of the document. So the next bar we'll be looking at now is our quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar located at the top left of our Word. Here is our quick access toolbar. Here you can see, let me draw this. We have this our quick access toolbar. We have our quick access toolbar here. So this quick access toolbar is a set of most used commands that always be available no matter what ribbon or command that you are working on. For example, if I'm working on this mailing now and I want to bold, assuming I'm on this mailing and I want to bold a text on my text area, so I don't have to go back to my home and click on bold. So all I need to do is to add this my bold to my quick access toolbar. How do I hide it? By right click on the bold and add on quick access toolbar. If I go back to my mailing, maybe I'm doing some kind of work here and I want to bold, let me say this is me. So I want to bold this. I want to bold, sorry, okay, this is the boy. I want to bold this is the boy, so I don't have to go to my home and click on bold, so I can easily navigate to my quick access toolbar and bold it. That is quick access toolbar. And also I can add more to my quick access toolbar. I can also add my italic by right click on it, italic on my quick access toolbar, and I can also add my shading to my quick access toolbar. And if you need to see more tools that we have on this Microsoft Word, I can go to my quick access toolbar, then more command. This more command display all the tools, all the command that we have on our quick access on our Word. You can see we have popular command. We watch here, we have common not in the ribbon. That is, there are tools that are not command that are not on our ribbon. Then we have these two. It should display all the tools, all the command that we have on our ribbon. You see that? So these are the most popular ones that we use, that we have on our quick access bar. Can you see we have something like we have print, we have delete, we have alignment. I can add, click on it, then it will add to my alignment. Then I can also add copy to my quick access toolbar. I can also add format painter to my quick access toolbar. So after I add all of this, I can press OK. So automatically all of this we have to my quick access toolbar. And also I can also go to any of my tab, then I can say arrange to add to my quick access toolbar. So any tool that I want on this quick access toolbar, I can easily add it there. And also I can reposition my quick access toolbar by clicking on this button and click on show below the ribbon. Automatically it will show below the ribbon. If I go there again, I'll click show above the ribbon, it will show above the ribbon. So you can also remove all of these tools that you had to your quick access toolbar by right click on it. You see remove from quick access toolbar. I click on it, remove from quick access toolbar, or you click on this button and click on more command. For me, more command, these are the tools that we have there. You can click on it and start clicking remove. Automatically all the commands will be removed. Then you press OK. So we have our quick access toolbar as default. The next bar we will be looking at now is our ribbon. The ribbon consists of our menu and group. The ribbon consists of our menu and group. Where is our menu? When we mention menu, this is our menu where we have home, insert, design, layout. These are our menu. And when we mention group, this is group. This is my clipboard group. You can see we have font group, we have paragraph group, and so on. So all of them together, we call them ribbon. These are ribbon on Microsoft Word. These are called ribbon. So inside my ribbon, I have menu and group. Is this clear? Is this clear? So the next one we'll be looking at is our ribbon display option. The ribbon display option tells me how do I want to display my ribbon. So here at my right hand side corner, I have my ribbon display option here. I can click on it. As you can see, the default we have is to what? Show tabs and what? Command. That is why we are seeing all of this. If I click on show tab, that is only the tab or menu will be shown until I click on my menu. That is when the command will appear. Don't mistake this. You can call this tab or you call it menu. They are say the same thing. And you can call everything here together as a command, or you call them group. When you have clipboard font, so they are section into what? Group. But all together we call of them commands. So if I click on this page back, the command will be what? Disappear. If I click on any of this tab here, the command what? Appear. So if I want to make this thing stable on my Word, I have to click on my ribbon display option and click on show tabs and command. And also you can also double click on any of the ribbon like this. The command, it will be disappear. If we double click again, the command menu, it will appear. The next thing we're looking at now is our file tab. We have discussed that, but we didn't give it in details. Here is our file tab. This file tab in earlier version, where we have version 2003, 2007 and 2010. This file here, it was Office important. So on the recent one that you have here, Office 2016 and 2019, we have this as file. So under inside my file, that's where we have all this standard bar, where we have our home, our new, open, info, save and save as. Are you with me? So from your home, you can quickly get started with your Word, and from your new, you can quickly get access to your blank document. And from your open, you can easily open your recent document that we have done on your system. And here we can click info to see some information about the document that you are working on. And here you can save and all of that. So I can easily go back to my document by clicking on the back arrow here. So it's taking me back to my document. The next thing we're looking at now is our roller bar. We have the horizontal roller bar and the vertical roller bar. The roller bar allows us to adjust our page margin from the right and from the left. It also allows us to adjust our page from the top and from the bottom. So you can use this roller bar to adjust your page. The next bar we're looking at is our scroll bar. Our scroll bar, we have it at the right hand side corner of our Word. We have the scroll bar here. It allows us to move up and down a page. It allows us to move up and down a page. The next bar we're looking at is our text area. We call this white area that you are seeing, we call it text area, or we call it a printable area. This is where all our work will be carried on. The next thing we're looking at is our status bar. Status bar located at the bottom of our Word. The status bar contains number of pages that we are working on and number of words that we have on our printable area. It also has the view how you want to view your document. You have read mode. If I choose this to switch the Microsoft printable area to read mode, which then I can read through this, and you also have it as web layout. Show it as if I'm on web. So if you want to bring it to normal, it will bring it to the print layout. And also on our status bar, we have our zoom tab. It allows us to zoom in our page and also allows us to zoom out our page. So that is that on Microsoft Word environment. On our next lesson, you will be looking at the tools and the command on our Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and like my video. God bless you and God bless me. Thanks.